Hey friends, welcome back to the WordPress Speed Optimization 101 course. If you're new to our channel, hit the subscribe button to receive notifications whenever we upload a new video. This is the third video in the WordPress Speed Optimization 101 course, and today we'll be looking at how passing core web vitals can improve page ranking, user experience, user retention, generate more leads and revenue, reduce bounce rate, and so on. Before we start the video, let me share some of the most valuable resources with you. If you want to speed up your slow-loading website for free, I have a couple of solutions. I'm offering WordPress Speed Optimization 101 course for free. The course contains plenty of videos that will help you speed up your website. You can join our dedicated community for free. Post your questions and I'll do my best to assist you. Finally, you can visit our website, click on Audits, and in the form, if you provide the required information, I will audit your website, highlight the issues that need to be fixed, and provide solutions. This video is going to be one of the most interesting and valuable videos, as I'll show you case studies that prove passing core web vitals can play a huge role in improving your business growth. Well, you might have seen some people say core web vitals is useless and there is no point in improving the core web vitals, and they've got a valid point to prove their statement, and that's Google website. Web vitals are bad. But in the first place, do these people know anything about core web vitals? The answer is no. If you're one among those who believe page speed and core web vitals are useless, then watch all the videos in this course till the end, and then leave your opinion in the comment section below. On the other hand, if you give importance to page speed and user experience, then this video is for you. First, let's look at a few case studies to understand how committing to core web vitals can improve the user experience and business revenue. NetSvelte. By improving the core web vitals, NetSvelte's ads revenue increased by 18%. Ad viewability is over 75%, bounce rates dropped by 50%, and page views increased by 27%. If you're displaying ads on your website, this case study proves that improving core web vitals can increase your ad revenue, ad viewability, reduce bounce rates, and increase page views. Vodafone improved LCP by 31%, which resulted in an 8% increase in sales. By running an A/B test specifically focused on optimizing web vitals, Vodafone found that a 31% improvement in LCP led to 8% more sales, 15% improvement in their lead-to-visit rate, and an 11% improvement in their cart-to-visit rate. In this case, just by improving LCP alone, Vodafone sales increased by 8%, and for a company such as Vodafone. An 8% increase in sales is a huge number. Yahoo Japan news page. By optimizing CLS by 0.2, the page views per session duration increased by 15%. Session duration increased by 13.3%, and the bounce rate dropped by 1.72%. For a news website, 15% increase in the page views per session duration is a huge improvement. Agrofee. By improving LCP by 70%, they were able to reduce load abandonment by 76%. Isn't a 76% load abandonment reduction a huge improvement? NDTV. By improving LCP by 55%, they were able to reduce the page bounce rate by 50%. After seeing the results, this is the statement NDTV Group released. NDTV has long followed best practices to deliver a top-quality user experience. We consider measuring web vitals to be an integral part of our product development now, and the engagement uplift we've seen makes it a good ROI. Tokopedia is one of the largest e-commerce companies in Indonesia. This website has 2.7 million plus nationwide merchant networks, 18 million plus product listings, and 50 million plus monthly visitors. This website improved time to interactive by 4 seconds by optimizing the JavaScript, which increased click-through rates by 35%, and the conversions increased by 8%. Can you calculate the revenue increase? Like when a 35% increase in click-through rates and an 8% increase in conversions happens on a website with 50 million plus visitors per month? The Economic Times worked on improving CLS and LCP. CLS improved by 250% from 0.25 to 0.09. LCP improved by 80% from 4.5 seconds to 2.5 seconds. Fixing CLS and LCP resulted in a 43% better bounce rate. Many of you might not know, bounce rate plays a crucial role in page ranking and website revenue. Even 1% improvement in the bounce rate makes a huge difference on high-traffic websites. After improving core web vitals, on the homepage of mail.ru resulted in a 60% increase in the 75th percentile in CLS. Improving CLS resulted in a 2.7% increase in average session time, and conversion rates of core sections increased by more than 10%. Swappy is a successful startup that sells refurbished phones. After improving core web vitals, Swappy's mobile revenue increased by 42% in just 3 months. Here are more case studies. Pinterest says, performance has directly impacted the company's bottom line. Pinterest reduced perceived wait times by 40%, and this increased search engine traffic and signups by 15%. Cook reduced average page load time by 850 milliseconds, which increased conversions by 7%, decreased bounce rates by 7%, and increased pages per session by 10%. The BBC found they lost an additional 10% of users for every additional second their site took to load. Redbus fixed Core Web Vitals issues, which contributed to 80 to 100% mobile conversion. Rates and significant domain ranking uplift across Redbus's global market properties. For example, as we can see in the chart, according to Redbus, fixing Core Web Vitals increased the domain ranking by 192% in Colombia. Here are more case studies. I can give you hundreds of examples that prove that when the websites do well, overall user experience has improved. I manage over 300 sites, and many sites saw an increase in page ranking, organic traffic, conversions. In the upcoming videos, I'll discuss more about individual Core Web Vital metrics and how to improve them. If you think the content you have watched till now is valuable, then this short video is a must-watch for you. If you want to learn how to optimize a website efficiently, the Ultimate Speed Optimization course is for you. Speed up your website, pass Core Web Vitals, and increase your business growth. This course is suitable for complete beginners, intermediates, and advanced users. Here is a website that scored 16 on Page Speed Insights and took 29.2 seconds to load. In just a few hours, the website scored a perfect 100 and loaded in just 174 milliseconds. Become a speed optimization expert and expand your portfolio. You are not just learning how to optimize websites. In the 100K Web Agency Mastery course, I'll show you how to find high-paying clients, generate recurring revenue, etc. If you're wondering how much I charge for optimizing a website, the pricing starts at $500, which can go up to $30,000. I want to see you charge the same to your clients. By the end of this course, I want clients to search for you and not the other way around. The first 300 people who join the Ultimate Speed Optimization course will get a 100K Web Agency Mastery course worth $497 for free. Course links are in the video description and in the pinned comment area. Thank you for watching. If you want to see more such videos, like the video, leave a comment, subscribe to our channel, and share the video with others. Sharing the video with others will help me get more views and motivate me to create more valuable videos to help you and others. We appreciate your support and look forward to having you in our community. I'll be back with another video soon. Till then, take care, bye.